Namaste. I stand here with a great pride and honor as a nominee of Head Girl, and I would like to thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends for nominating and believing in me. I hope that I will live up to your expectation and I will try my best not let you down. Student Council works side by side with the student body and administration to ensure student events throughout the year. I will ensure that you will have a memorable year with me. If I will be elected as head girl of school, I would ensure that students will receive extracurricular activities and most of the encouraging more eco-friendly activities or skills classes. I will try my best for NCC, for including NCC and introducing NCC in school. Those who don't know NCC, it is a youth development movement managed by Armed Force, and I also provide a wide range of activities with social services, discipline and adventurous training, and students are given preference while admissioning. And I want our school should introduce Awaken Citizen program run by Ramakrishna Mission. I seek to empower students in real and develop a enlightened citizen who can stand on their own feet and make responsible choice. I am asking for your votes and for head girl of student council. I want to be helpful and I want us all to build a memories. We will remember a treasure forever. Now I can just get off this stage without falling off my head. I will be a good shape. So vote for me. Remember my name Anmol. Nominee for head girl. Thank you.
A great leader finds ways to connect with people and help them fulfill their potential. Namaste. I hope you all are healthy and happy. For those who don't know me, I am Nandini Kaushal of class 12 science, standing before you as the nominee for the post of school's head girl. Being a head girl is not about the title. It is about gaining the trust from teachers and students. And I assure you that I will not let you down. I will give my 100% to live up to your expectations. My aim is to bring out the best in the school in each and every field, be it academics, sports or co-curricular activities. I am confident that I would be a positive leader because I am a good listener and a good friend. I am honest, dedicated, responsible, trustworthy and creative. I am easily approachable and I promise that I will take each and every issue seriously. This is my 13th year in this school and I have learned so much from this school. This school has taught me how to deal with challenges in life. It has made me a better student, a better citizen, a better person and guided me through the right path. And I am sure that with these experiences and knowledge, I will be able to help my juniors in their future. I will try to be the best role model I can be and guide you on your path of learning. I will make sure that under my guidance, your voice will be heard and your opinions will be respected. So all you have to do is sit, relax and vote for me, Nandini Kaushal. And remember, together we can achieve what we want. Thank you. Have a cheerful day. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Tamanna Thakur of Plus 2 Non-Medical and I am nominated for the post of Head Girl in Student Council election. For me, Head Girl is a student who is chosen for some special duties and to represent the school. This is very big opportunity on my shoulder and I guarantee you my 24/7 presence whenever you need me. During this pandemic, after being elected, I believe this is my duty to take care of COVID protocol in our school and assure you proper sanitization and social distancing in our campus. Not only physically, but I will be there with my mates mentally too. I will leave no stone unturned in helping you all. If I get elected, it's my responsibility to tell the newcomers about the culture and propaganda of our school, especially the philosophies of Swami Vivekananda. So I request all the teachers and students to please trust on me and give me a chance to become the head girl So remember my name, Tamanna Thakur, and vote for me for the post of head girl. Thank you for listening me.
Namaste, Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and teachers. I stand here with great pride and honor as a nominee,
the head girl, and for that, I would like to thank the faculty members and the student body to nominating me. I hope that I can live up to your expectations and try my best to not let you down. Well, this is my 9th year in this school, and every moment marks a day in my life. I have gone through good and bad situations and experiences, and that's what makes me what I am today. My experience at this school has always been an educated and interactive moment with people around me. I have learned more than what is there in the textbooks, so for what I would like to thank this school. This school has taught me how to deal with challenges that you will meet in your daily life. It has made me a better student, a better citizen, and all of a better person. This school has also helped me and my peers to be mature and has guided us through the right path. I am sure that these experiences and knowledge will help us students in our future. I can't just say that I am trustworthy, reliable, or responsible, but people who know that I possess these traits and situations where I have shown or proven these traits will believe that I can make a difference for the school. I hope that I can act as a bridge between the students and the teachers. Thank you, and hope you all make a right decision in choosing your head girl.